Hey guys, so the Z06 is mostly finished and back on the road now. So I'm going to post the dyno video here and give a brief update of what was going on. So back in September, I had the number 7 cylinder piston break. So I rebuilt the engine over the winter with new forged aluminum pistons, a BTR stage 2 camshaft, upgraded bearings, ARP rod bolts, a Katech C5R timing chain, Melling high pressure oil pump, a couple other things here or there, but it's the stock crank, stock connecting rods, but forged pistons, BTR stage 2 camshaft, and ported and polished heads. And it also has 42-pound fuel injectors. So yesterday I got the car dyno tuned at Big 3 Racing in Hinckley, Ohio. So this video will show the pole, and then at the end I'll say what power it made. Enjoy. Okay, so there you have it. Here's the chart. So it made 441.9 wheel horsepower, 409.4 pound-feet of torque at the wheels. So that works out to, should be just about 500 horsepower at the engine. So much more power than it made last year. Last year it made 395 at the wheels, so 441 is on the optimistic side of what I was expecting. So very pleased with it. Now I got to fine tune the brakes and clutch and some other stuff, and then can enjoy driving it.